The Senate complex is now under tight security as the 92-day impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte begins in less than an hour. Authorities are also expecting large crowds from both pro and anti-impeachment groups. Jill Sibandal joins us live from outside the Senate. Jill, what's the latest?
The police security has been tightened here outside the Senate as the 92-day trial of the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara starts today. Additional police personnel have been deployed around the Senate complex while barbed wire barriers have been installed along the Diokno Boulevard as part of the heightened security measures to ensure the area, control the access, and maintain peace and order throughout today's proceedings. At around 7 a.m. today, authorities began clearing operations along Diokno Boulevard while vehicles were directed to vacate the area before the road was closed to vehicular traffic. Motorists have been advised to please take the alternate routes as security operations continue and traffic restrictions remain in effect. Earlier today, the impeachment probe was carried into the Senate as preparations continue for the opening of the 92 days impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Authorities are expecting large crowds from groups both supporting and opposing the impeachment proceedings, prompting to an increased police presence in the around of the Senate complex. My personnel from the Philippine National Police, also the Sergeant at Arms earlier, or the OSAA, mentioned that they will be inspecting the area and close monitoring for the security measures and control measures to ensure the public safety. Security remains on full alert as lawmakers and legal counsels, court personnel and media or members of the media and other authorized individuals arrived at the Senate for the opening of the impeachment trial. As of now, protesters of different kinds or different groups have arrived. Sa kasalukuyan, kakarating lang din ng mga pro-impeachment. At kani-kanina lamang ay nandito din nagdaos ng misa yung mga no to impeachment.
Jill, alam ko matagal na namang inaasahan yan na may mga grupong magpoprotesta. Ngayon, may designated areas ba para dito sa mga pro and anti?
Sa ngayon, wala namang itinalaga ang Philippine National Police kung saan nga ba talaga sila. Pero merong dinilagay na mga barbed wires, na mga barriers kung hanggang saan lang sila hanggan. Sa bandang gilid na naman ng Senado, sa left side ng Senado, doon na namalagi ang mga protesters ng kabila or ng mga pro-impeachment. At sa right side naman ng Senado, doon din namalagi yung mga no to impeachment.
Jill, have there been any incidents or security incidents or disruptions na naiulat sa ngayon?
Mula kaninang umaga hanggang sa kasalukuyan ay wala pa namang naitala na mga disruptions paukol nga sa mangyayaring protesta.
Ngayon, na-aresto na or nag-surrender na si Senator Rodante Marcoleta dahil sa kanyang plunder case. Inaasahan ba nila na dadagsa dyan yung mga grupong sumusuporta sa kanya, especially yung mga mula sa Iglesia ni Cristo?
Sa ngayon, wala pa tayong saktong impormasyon kung darating nga ba dito sa Senate ang INC or ang Iglesia ni Cristo sapagkat hindi pa sila nagbibigay ng pahayag sa pag-surrender nga ni Senator Rodante Marcoleta. Sa ngayon, inaantay natin yung anunsyo mismo mula sa Iglesia ni Cristo kung magkakaroon ba sila ng rally. Ngunit inaasahan din natin kung meron silang gagawing another surprise rally. Yun yung ating inaabangan.
Maraming salamat, Jill Sibandal, live mula sa labas ng Senado sa Pasay City.